Hello everybody, in this tutorial I just want to show you actually how to change the preferences of our Android Studio IDE. Okay, now that we have downloaded and installed the Android Studio, now it's time to open it. Okay, now it starts to open and click on the configure preferences, and as you can see here you can click on the appearance and behavior and click on the appearance. Here you can change the theme of the IDE and then open the system settings. Click on the updates, and the first option, automatically check updates for Android Studio. Just check this option and choose the stable channel. And also you should check the second option, automatically check updates for Android SDK and choose stable channel. And then open the editor, general, open it, and then click on the appearance. Be sure to check the show line method, show line numbers. This is very important. And then click on the code folding. Be sure to check off these options: imports, method bodies, and file header, and one line methods. Okay, check off these options and then click on auto import and check these three options: show import pop-up, optimize imports on the fly, and add unambiguous imports on the fly, and click OK to save those changes. And now the IDE is ready to actually create applications for Android. Congratulations and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.